Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the snowflakes puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Abhishek Ruikar from India. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 snowflakes into the tray. At first glance, all the snowflakes look exactly the same and it will be easy to put them inside, but once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that not all the snowflakes are the same, even though they may look the same on this side, even on this side. But then there are some very small differences on some sides of the snowflakes. What makes them unique? There are 6 different snowflakes, and while solving the puzzle, you may end up with 5 snowflakes inside the frame, and you will have 1 snowflake that you can't fit inside. Doesn't matter how many times you rotate it or try different sides, you won't be able to fit it inside, and you have to start from the very beginning, since even putting 1 snowflake in the wrong spot will ruin the entire solution. If you like the snowflakes puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I don't really think that it will help you, since you have to notice all the small details of each and every snowflake, and only then you will be able to solve your puzzle. As you can see, these 2 are in the correct spot. Then I can put this part here, and when you put the correct snowflakes in the correct spot, you will find that they fit nicely with the rest of the snowflakes. But sometimes it happens that you put 5 snowflakes and they fit just like it's supposed to be, but then when you put the last one, there is not enough space for it. But this is the correct solution, and this is the spot for the last one, and as you can see, all 6 snowflakes are inside the frame. If you don't know how to solve your puzzle and you were expecting this video will explain you a lot, I'm sorry. I can just show you the solution, but you have to look for the details, how the snowflakes are connected, to understand how to put yours. What I noticed when I was solving the puzzle, that on one side all snowflakes have this quite a large cutout. I'll show you here, right at this spot. As you can see, it is much bigger than the rest. The rest are just like a triangular cutouts. This one is much bigger, and this what really helped me to solve the puzzle, since there are a couple of spots on the frame where you have to put such pieces, and then you just need to try all of them and find where each piece goes, and then you will be able to fit all 6 snowflakes inside the frame. If you like the snowflakes puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Abhishek Ruikar or by other puzzle designers, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.